This model kit review is of the Hughes Helicopter 500. It's the Defender, and this is a 1/48 scale model by Academy. And here you can see pictures of the finished model. Looks like a fairly detailed little model. Another picture there. So let's have a look inside. Looks like this one's already been started. Here are our glass pieces and our windshield, reasonably well molded. Here we have our cockpit with a little bench area. Got some detail there. This one here we have our 5 rotor blades. Here's our tail, part of the rotor assembly. Here are our skids. Got 2 of those. Control sticks over there. This looks like this is part of the top for the radar, infrared. And a lot of these pieces have already been taken off. So let's have a look at those. Here we have 2 pilots. We have our body pieces with recessed panel lines, tail rotor part. Here are our 2 seats. We'll have to look to see what those are for, because I see seats there already. Here's the other side of the fuselage. Here's our tail rotor and our horizontal wing. We got a door. Here we already have 2 pilots, it looks like. One looks like it's got a clipboard on there. And this is probably for the guidance system that's sitting on the front. Here we have our rocket pods, which have been glued together, need some sanding. And probably part of our tail. Here are our decals. This is for the Israeli one. Reasonably well made. So we start off with the sights and guidance systems. Build the rocket pods, that's already been done. Then the main rotors. Then the cockpit's built, that's already been started. And pilots go on there. And put together the glass inside the cockpit. And that all goes together. They put the skids on. And then the guidance system beneath. Tail is put together. Rocket pods and guidance system on. And so here's the Kenyan Army version. And then here's an Israeli version. And then here we have the parts listing. So, all in all, fairly well molded kit, good level of detail, and should be a good model to build.